Hey guys, today I want to show you how you can buy Robux with Google Play. This is going to show you everything you need to know, so make sure you leave a like and make sure you subscribe to the channel. So what you need to do is first you need to open up Roblox. So if you've got a Google Play card and someone's gave it to you, you can buy Robux with that card. So you want to come to Roblox and then you want to click on the Robux icon and it's going to tell you your balance. Now I have 0 Robux. So what we can do is we can buy an amount of Robux here. So say for example we had a $10 gift card and we wanted to buy $10 or $9.99 worth of Robux. So what we can do is we can click on this button here and it's then going to open up some Google Play information. Now at the bottom you can see I've got a Visa debit card which is already on my account, which is actually expired. But if I go and click on that, and you'll probably have this as well, if I go and click on that, I can then click redeem code, and I can then enter in the gift card code. Once you've entered in the code, you're going to be given the option to use that code to actually buy Robux. Now, if for some reason you don't get the same pop-up when you go and try and buy Robux, all you need to do is you need to go to the Play Store, and you need to click on these 3 lines in the top right hand corner. Then go to payment methods, and then if you click here redeem code, you can go and redeem the code which is on the back of the Google Play gift card, and that's all you have to do. Redeem the code and then you can use it on Roblox. So I hope that video did help you out. Make sure you do leave a like and subscribe to the channel. Let me know in the comment section below if it did help. Thank you guys, and I'll see you all in the next video.